Hi everyone, in this video I will explain and demonstrate the basic commands used on Kali Linux which are essential for penetration testing and ethical hacking. On the previous video we covered how to build an ethical hacking lab. Select your Kali Linux, start Kali Linux, username is Kali, password is also Kali. This video is for educational purpose. First, what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is an operating system that is specifically built for penetration testing and cybersecurity tasks. Open terminal on Kali Linux. You can open on different way. Click on terminal. You can zoom in and zoom out terminal from edit. First command is pwd. This command displays the current directory path. Then hit enter. This path is home, Kali, ls. This command lists files and directories. On whom we have desktop, document, downloads, files.txt, music, and extra. The other command is cd. This command change directory. I want to go on desktop. Type cd, then type your directory. Where do you want to go? I want to go on desktop. Again, type pwd. Now we are inside of desktop. The next command is cd dot dot. This command is used to go back to the parent directory. Again, pwd. We come back from desktop to Kali. The other important command is clear. This command clears the terminal screen. The next command is mkdir. This command creates a new folder. Write mkdir, then write your folder name. I want to write here Kali. Then hit enter. Type ls. Look, here we have Kali folder. If you come on home folder, here is Kali. Let us create other folder, mkdir. Then write your folder name. I want to write here Linux. Hit enter. ls. Here we have Linux, and also you can find this folder graphically. Here is Linux. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you want to learn ethical hacking, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Clear ls. The next command is rm. This command deletes files or directory. Let us delete Kali folder. Write rm, then write your folder or file name. I want to delete Kali. Now hit enter. You will get this command. If you want to delete folder, before folder name write -r, then write folder name. Again, list files. Here we don't have Kali. Let us delete Linux also. rm-r, folder name or file name, ls. Here we don't have Linux. Clear. The next command is cp. This command copy files or directory. ls. Here I have file.txt. I want to copy this file On desktop, write cp, then write your file name. It is file.txt. Then write your directory. Where do you want to paste it? I want to paste on desktop or document, anywhere you want, or you have a specific folder. On desktop we don't have any file. Let's paste here. First type cp, it means copy this file, paste here. Okay, hit enter. Now on desktop we have file.txt. The next comment is mv. This comment move or rename files. I want to write ls. I want to move this file to desktop. Right here mv, then write your file name. It is file.txt. Then where do you want to move? Let us move it on download. Again ls. Here we don't have this file. Let's check the download folder. cd download ls. We moved this file from home to download folder. And also you can find graphically, download is here, this file is here. I want to cut this file and paste on home because we need this file. Okay, the next comment is nano. This comment open a text editor. Write nano, then your text editor files. Let's come back to home, ls. Here we have file.txt. I want to edit this file. Write nano, then write file name, press enter. You can write here anything you want. Okay, here we have these shortcuts. If you want to save this file, hold Control, press O, hit enter, then hold Control, press X to exit. The next important comment is main. This comment view the manual for a comment. For example, I want to read about cd. Write main, then cd, hit enter. cd is not here. Okay, let us test with ls. Main ls list directory. Here you can find some information about this comment. It is ls. You can read these comments about ls or other comment. Press H for help or Q to quiet. I want to quiet it. Q. Let us check other comment like PWD. Here is a lot of information about PWD. Q. Clear. The next comment is history. This comment view the history of executed comments. It means any comments we type before we can list here. Look, we used this comment before. With history we can list all these comments. Clear. Now let us jump to network and information gathering comments. First comment is here fconfig. This comment show network configuration. With this comment, you can find all information about network configuration like IP address, net mask or subnet mask, broadcast, IP version 6, and extra. The other important comment in this part is ping. This comments test the connectivity to server. For example, I want to ping to this IP. It is IP of this machine. It is 10.0.2.15. Here we have communication with this IP. Press Ctrl with C to break. Now let us check the connectivity with Google. We have connection with Google or no? Write ping www.google.com. You can check the connectivity with IP address, and also you can check with name. Hit enter. Look, we have connection with Google. Time to live is 255. It means we have connections with Google's. It means we have internet and we can communicate with other sites. Press Ctrl with C to break. The other comment is trace route. This comment trace the route of packet to a host. Let's jump to package management comment. The first and useful comment is from this part, apt-get update. This comments update the package list. If this comment is not work for you, if you get this message, come here write sudo. I will speak about sudo later. Now I don't have stable internet connection, maybe I get error. If you type this comment, all the list will update for you. The other important comment is apt-get space install. With this comment, you can install any software you want. For example, I want to install Python or any file you want. I could not open. Okay, before this you can use sudo. Package Python has no installations. Okay, because we don't have Python, we have Python 3 here. Here we have already Python 3. If we don't have, we can install. The other comment is apt-get space remove. This comment remove a package. Let's remove Python 3. Sudo. Now here ask you, do you want to remove it? If you press yes, it will start removing. If you press no, it will come back. I don't want to remove. Okay, the other comment is we can use a lot. It is find. For example, I want to find one file or one directory. You can write find, then write your file name. I want to find this file.txt. Hit enter. Now this file is here. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon on the next video.